Olá, pessoal! What's the difference between the words tudo and todo? And if there is toda, why is tuda wrong? Welcome back to Plain Portuguese, where you'll learn how to speak like a Brazilian using those words correctly. If you're new here, subscribe and catch up on the videos you have missed. The words tudo and todo look alike, sound alike, but can't be used interchangeably. In today's lesson, you will learn when to use each of them and how to pronounce them correctly. By the way, in today's lesson, there are 2 tips of the day. Don't miss them! Tudo. Write this down. Tudo is invariable. There is no tuda, no todos, let alone todas. No. Tudo is unique. Tudo is tudo. Tudo means everything, as no other piece of information is needed. For example, eu comi tudo. There is nothing left. I ate everything. Eu comi tudo. Before we move on, let's practice how to pronounce tudo. It's tudo. Imagine you are an owl. Coruja. Yes. Tudo. Tudo. Right? Well, she told me everything. Ela me contou tudo. Ela me contou tudo. Tudo mudou desde então. Yes, everything's changed since then. Tudo mudou desde então. Well, roughly speaking, tudo, everything, is the opposite of nothing. Tudo is the opposite of nada, nothing. If you have this in mind, you have great chances of not making mistakes. And don't forget the owl. Tudo, tudo. Well, some other sentences. Adoro tudo o que tenho. I can also say, adoro tudo que tenho. That's why the parenthesis, right? Because that O is optional. Adoro tudo que tenho. Já tenho tudo que preciso. Já tenho tudo que preciso. Ele tem tudo que quer. Ele tem tudo que quer. Tudo. Owl. Well, some common expressions using tudo that you'll hear a lot. The classics. Tudo bem? Tudo bom? Yes. Deu tudo certo. It all worked out. Deu tudo certo. All the best. Tudo de bom. Tudo de bom. Todo. Now write this down. Todo is variable. It varies in gender and number, so there is todo, toda, todos, todas. And by the way, no owls here. So todo, toda, todos, todas, not tu, to. Yes? Well, todo, toda, todos, todas are always accompanied by a noun before or after them. Yes, they don't like to be alone. No. You need additional information so to understand what they are referring to. Yeah, so for example, before the examples, todo, toda, todos, todas, they mean every something, each something, the entire, the whole something. Now let's see our examples comparing with tudo. I went to a friend's house and I ate everything. Eu comi tudo. Yeah? Nothing left. Eu comi tudo. Eu comi todo o bolo. Eu comi todo o bolo. My friend will never invite me to his party again because I ate the whole cake. Eu comi todo o bolo. Eu comi toda a pizza. See? Toda, because pizza is a feminine noun. Eu comi toda a pizza. Eu comi todos os brigadeiros. Eu comi todos os brigadeiros. Eu comi todas as coxinhas. Eu comi todas as coxinhas. Eu comi tudo. I'm not proud of what I did. Well, did you notice that when I change to todo, toda, todos, todas, I needed to complete the sentence like todo what? Toda what? Yes? And did you also notice that besides a noun, all the sentences have an article? Todo o bolo, toda a pizza, todos os brigadeiros, todas as coxinhas. However, when it comes to word order, you may also find o bolo todo, which is the same. Eu comi todo o bolo, eu comi o bolo todo. A pizza toda. Os brigadeiros todos. As coxinhas todas. Let's see some more examples changing the word order. So, toda a família se reúne no Natal. The entire family. Toda a família se reúne no Natal. A família toda se reúne no Natal. Now, chocolate. Todo mundo gosta de chocolate. The whole world. Todo mundo gosta de chocolate. O mundo todo gosta de chocolate. Todas as crianças choram. Yes, all the kids cry. Todas as crianças choram. As crianças todas choram. Todos os produtos estão caros. All the products are expensive. Todos os produtos estão caros. Os produtos todos estão caros. Today there are 2 tips. Let's see tip number 1. Well, you have just learned that todos must be followed by a noun. Todos os brigadeiros, todos os produtos. However, in sentences like this one, it's somehow implied that you're referring to people, like everyone, yeah? Todos estão bem. Everyone is fine. Todos estão bem. No Brasil, todos falam português. No Brasil, todos falam português. No Brasil, nem todos sabem sambar. No Brasil, nem todos sabem sambar. Other than this, todos must be followed by a noun. Now let's see our tip number 2. When todo, toda, or toda, yes, is followed by a noun with a definite article as todo o bolo, toda a pizza, it means the entire cake, the entire pizza. Todo o dia, yes, the entire day, all day. Todo fim de semana, toda a semana. But when todo, toda, is followed by a noun without a definite article, then it conveys something else. In this case, it means every, each, todo dia, every day, yes, or each day. Todo fim de semana, every weekend. Toda semana, every week. Toda criança, each child. Yeah? Todo brasileiro. So, for example, eu passo todo dia trabalhando, all day. Eu passo todo dia trabalhando. Eu trabalho todo dia, every day. Eu trabalho todo dia. Eu fico em Curitiba o ano todo. Eu fico em Curitiba o ano todo. Eu viajo de férias todo ano. Every year. Eu viajo de férias todo ano. Want a challenge? Try now to see the difference in meaning between these sentences. Todo país tem problemas versus todo o país tem problemas. And esta árvore tem flores toda primavera. Esta árvore tem flores toda a primavera. Tell me later if you could find any differences in meaning between these sentences here. Todas as aulas são boas? A aula toda é boa. I hope you answered yes to my questions. Thanks for watching another lesson. It's always a pleasure to have you here. Don't forget to leave me comments and questions below. I love todos os comentários and I love todas as perguntas. See you next time. Até a próxima. Tchau!